Hi, I'm here today to show you how to divide polynomials using long division. Right here I have a polynomial and a divisor. What I have here is a negative 9x minus 10 plus x squared divided by x plus 1. In order to divide this using long division, we must first put it in descending order. And we do that by looking for the highest powered x's going down. Now x squared would be our highest power. So we put x squared minus 9x minus 10. And of course, x plus 1 will be our divisor. Now let's write this as if we were going to divide it. And normally when you do long division, you set it up just like any type of long division problem. So we have x plus 1 as our divisor and x squared minus 9x minus 10. Now to start, we're not going to look at the end of the problem. We're just going to look at our leading x. And with any long division, you start with your leading term, which will be this x here, of our divisor. So x squared divided by x equals x. And then we write that up here. Now that we know what x squared divided by x is, we can use that to multiply and start breaking down our long division. So first, we multiply x by our divisor, x plus 1. And I like to write that down to the side so I don't make any mistakes. X times x plus 1. And then underneath, you write it just like you're going to subtract it. So our answer will be, to subtract this from, will be x squared plus 1x. Now remember, we're subtracting this. So x squared minus x squared cancel out. Now we have negative 9x minus 1. This will become a negative 10x. Now that we have the x squared canceled out, we can now bring down the next part of our term, which is negative 10. Like before, when we divided the x squared by our leading x from the divisor, we'll do the same for our negative 10x. So negative 10x divided by x equals negative 10. Because the x's cancel out. Now, like before, when we did x times our divisor, we're going to do negative 10 times our divisor. So negative 10 times x plus 1 equals, and I'm going to write it over here, negative 10x minus 10. Now remember, we're subtracting, so we use the parentheses. And it's subtracting a negative. So make sure you don't mess yourself up and add in the negative. So let's put our adding bar down again. Now we have negative 10x minus a negative 10x. So the negatives cancel themselves out, and that becomes 0. Now we have negative 10 minus negative 10. Again, like the negative 10x, since we're subtracting, those will cancel out. So now we have a remainder of 0. So our actual answer to our problem is x minus 10. And if you follow these steps, you should have no problem doing long division for polynomials. Thank you.